Hello, I'm Jane from Lightstrade GILE, and we are having this special event, the cross tour. Welcome and thank you for participating in our special event. What's your name, please? What's your name, please?
I'm Shirley.
Shirley. Would you like to, Shirley? Would you like to introduce your company and the production in like 10 or 5 minutes, or you, or
Never, because
don't worry.
Because we are English is not very good.
Don't worry.
But our is the factory. So we produce the LED light and the solar light and the outdoor lighting and the wall light. So we also can solder all of the world. Like the American and the Europe and the Australian is also okay because the
you got the certifications.
So it's okay.
That's
so
great.
Welcome to our factory. Our factory is in the Guangdong, Jiangmen. So please.
Okay.
This one is our factory station, and this one is our Alibaba shop. Yes. So welcome to everyone to our shop and factory. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I see that you have a factory and you have so many products line. And how about our camera? Give a show.
Thank you. Yes.
And because you have a lot of certifications, so it's while it's good to sell your products to the foreign countries, if the CE and the ROS, and you can go to the American and Germany and Europe. Yeah, that's really good.
So we are is the professional factory. Maybe we are not the professional sell the
growing.
Yes, but we are professional to production the foods.
That's great. That's great. And thank you for coming to GILE because of the COVID-19, the virus, the pandemic, the situation is going up and down, and you are still be here. And thank you for the support of the GILE.
Yes, I also hope that next year we can all together, everyone come from the all the world come from. Yes, this year maybe a little sad. Yes, but never mind. We also have the online.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Shirley. Thank you. Bye.